Hello and welcome to Tomboy Beauty. I'm Amy Harber. You can find me on Twitter at Amy Harber, Instagram Amy D Harber, YouTube.com/AmerCat. So, this is the Target January beauty box. I am a little behind. Stick around this video because we're actually going to give away something from this box because I already have one of these items. So, basically, you're going to have to follow me somewhere, subscribe to the YouTube, but I'm going to be giving away one of these items. So let's find out what's in the box and what I'm giving away. Okay? So hey, we are looking at the January Target Beauty. These boxes are harder than hell to get. Like seriously, if you don't get them on like the 1st or 2nd of January, you're not getting it. And they don't send you an email, so you have to go to like Target every day and look and see if the beauty box is up. Sometimes you will get an email. Very rarely. However, this time I did. And this time I got a box. So, it's all hello staycation. It's all about taking a staycation and recharging at home during the winter. So you'll find beauty faves that help you restore and look radiant. So, we have the Meyer's Clean Day Body Wash. It's basil scent. Ooh, it does smell like basil. It smells like awesome basil. Then we have the OGX, the Biotin and Collagen Shampoo, which is sulfate-free. All fun times. And then we have the Dove Gentle Body Polish. It's got like a, it looks like it's a container, but it's actually not a container. It's like a little packet. So it's crushed macadamia nuts, it's rice milk, and it's going to exfoliate your skin in the shower. Then we have, oh, I love sheet masks. Sheet masks are so fun. So, Animalz, when you tear them out, you have like an animal on your face. It's like so cool. So this one's a tiger. I've had the penguin. The penguin didn't look like a penguin though. It looked like a scary fucking clown. I'm going to be honest. That's just what it looked like. The Nexxus Humectress, it's a hair mask. So like you put it in your hair after you've conditioned and then you comb it through. And it makes everything super soft, especially if you are living in a winter place where the heat is drying out your tresses. So there's that. Then we have the Vichy Laboratories, the Skin Fortifying Daily Booster. Just a couple drops a day and night to moisturize your skin. And then finally, I'm giving away this. It is Melting Pout by CoverGirl. It is awesome. However, I already have this color because I got it at BeautyCon. So, I'm going to give it away. So, to get this, you have to either subscribe on YouTube or follow me on Instagram. And when you follow me, like the video for this. There'll be a picture and a clip of the video. Like it, and I will put your name in a hat. And we'll draw the name on a hat. I'll do it as like an Instagram live, or I'll do it as an Instagram video. Somebody's getting this. I will mail it to you. You get a free lipstick. So there is that. We have all these items. We got the Target Beauty. Here's where you can find me so that you can follow me and get the lipstick right there. Oh, and also on the Target ones, they give you coupons for $3 off a purchase of $15 or more. So if you want, and it expires, it's already expired, bullshit. Oh well, so there's that. Maybe next time I will give you, I'll find a coupon or something, or some stickers or something cool. But anyway, follow me those places. Remember that if you want this, and I will see you next time on Tomboy Beauty.